Hey guys, welcome back to the ST Experience. No riding video today or this week. We've got some crazy wind out there today. There's like 40-mile-an-hour gusts and stuff, but hopefully we'll be riding next, or I guess in 2 weeks. This coming week we've got about a foot of snow, foot of snow is coming here in Richmond, so everything's going to be shut down. So no riding for a couple weeks probably. But did want to show you the bike and some of the mods that I've done. And I've done some lighting and a lot of cosmetic stuff, and then a full exhaust and things like that. But thank you to everyone that's subscribed so far. You know, I think I've got about 700 subscribers. If you haven't, if you can like this video and subscribe, it helps me a lot. But thank you for subscribing, those of you that have. Let me show you the bike. So it's a 2024 Lowrider ST. I purchased it back in August. So I've got, I guess we can start here. Let me turn that light back on. Hold on. So we've got the Bung King crash bars. Thrashin supply, mini Apex floorboards, shorty shift lever with the Thrashin supply peg, the P54s, I believe, or the Militants from Thrashin supply. This is for my Gerbing heated gear. It's wired right to the bike. And then we've got Thrashin supply 9.5-inch risers with the mid-bend bars, Thrashin supply grips, and these are I forget what model they are, but they're Harley mirrors, a little more square than stock. And then here we've got the Clockworks 8-inch windshield. I've got the 6-inch also. I could show you kind of the difference between the two here. There you can see my kids' gymnastics stuff that is in the front of the garage, and then my bike sits here in the back. But this is the stock windshield that comes from Harley, so you can see a couple inches there, and then obviously the flare. And then the 6-inch here is just, it's nice for the summer, but you can see the difference there. And I think they come in the 10-inch variant as well. So in the front here, I've got the quad lock wireless charger for my phone. It's really nice. Just push it in here like this. If I can get it with one hand. Wireless, Thrashin supply, perch clamps, and then just the standard gauges here. Then on this side of the bike, so I've got this Screamin Eagle air cleaner instead of the like the snorkel type that comes out, hits my leg. It's very uncomfortable. But then I've got the Bassani 2-into-1 Saddleman step-up seat. And then I've got a bunch of different custom dynamics lights, like the Shark Demon there. I do have the Screamin Eagle cam and the Pro Tuner. Probably going to change the cam for something a little bit more like the 3030, Star 3030 or something like that. But let me show you the lights that I just put on. So I took off the reflector here, and then I added the Custom Dynamics saddlebag light, which the wire goes behind here and then plugs into the triple play. And then when you see I've got red running lights, that's a stock tail light. But you can see just how bright it is And you could set it to different settings where the brake light, strobes, but then you got the turn signals here on the side, which is really cool, and obviously a little bit safer. So I really like this setup. Really like the bars. The rise is perfect for me. And then in the front, I've got the Harley LED lights, and then the Shark Demon from Custom Dynamics as well, which is just sweet. Turn the brights on here for you, and you can see just how bright that is. So, and in the bags, I know on the 2025, the bags are the same size, but on this, I don't really have a huge problem storing things. I've got jump pack here, tools, a tire kit, my rain gear, and the boots, my sock for the air cleaner, and then on the other side, I've got, I keep this side kind of open. I do have some of my heated gear in here, but what that's mostly for, mainly for, so I have my camera bag here, and this fits just perfect in here, like that. And I'm able to close it, no problem there. So it really fits everything that I need. And then I've got here, if you can see, I do have a Rick Rack bag system that goes onto the sissy bar with the rack there. So that's pretty much it. The GoPro goes here, and then I've got the chin mount. That's pretty much it for the bike. Again, I wish we were riding today, but just the weather's not cooperating with us. But there she is. So again, guys, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, subscribing helps. Liking the video helps. Trying to grow the channel, trying to get better every day. And hopefully I'll be putting out a new video weekly. And then as the spring comes, we'll be doing a lot more riding. So anything helps. And thank you, guys. We'll catch up with you next week. Thanks.